Karen and I are heading over to meet Brian Lane from Dr. Comfort. He's going to educate us on how to take care of your feet while managing diabetes and living a healthier lifestyle.
Hi there.
Hello.
So nice to finally meet you.
Nice to
Hey
meet
Ryan,
you
how
both.
are you, man? Thank you very much
got
for
them.
the shoes.
We did.
That's awesome.
What do you think?
I'll tell you something. Every time I had to wear any therapeutic shoes, they weren't that good looking. And these not only feel amazing, but they look great.
I'll tell you, I feel like I'm walking in clouds. Like I feel like I'm bouncing. I'm just like, this is so comfortable.
And you're exactly right. Why don't we have a seat?
Yes.
Absolutely.
So you're hitting all those points. The name is Dr. Comfort.
Right.
So hopefully you feel that comfort.
Definitely.
They're also, again, very lightweight. You're wearing the Jack today, which is not only stylish, but it's also very therapeutic for your feet. You're wearing the Riley. I've got the Gordon on. Again, all supportive shoes for anybody.
Well, one of the things that I realized is that I've always known that wearing comfortable shoes obviously plays a role in your overall health. But I had no idea that specific footwear were designed to actually manage diabetes. Tell me how that works.
Yeah, so there's a lot of complications that can happen as a result of diabetes.
Sure.
It could be anything from poor circulation to different foot deformities. And we create and design shoes that will have features to benefit to make sure that those situations don't happen or progress to anything worse, like an ulcer or an amputation.
Of course.
Wow.
Sure.
One thing that I noticed is that as I'm walking, most of my weight is like towards the front of the foot. And not like sometimes you'll be wearing shoes and your heels just hurt after wearing them for a few hours. These feel just fine.
I feel a lot of cushion right in my heel area.
What's unique about our shoes is they have additional depth. So that allows for different types of orthotics. From different depths and also different cushionings, maybe something a little bit more rigid for different deformities of the foot, to these that don't have any seams or stitching on the inside of the shoe, to also prevent any future complications from occurring as well. And so they're all considered therapeutic shoes, and we do focus on patients with diabetes, just because of the complications associated with them. And a physician can prescribe these for their different foot conditions.
Does it have to be a podiatrist, or could it be your primary care physician, for example?
So great question. It should have a lot of physicians involved with the overall process. So the primary care doctor, endocrinologist, whoever's treating the patient for their diabetes, should be prescribing the shoes because they have to qualify. They have to have diabetes with one of 6 various different conditions in order to qualify. But as I always say, that doesn't mean that those are the only people to qualify and to get these shoes. You can go on our website, drcomfort.com, and on there, anybody with just any foot pain or potential issues could also purchase them.
I mean, just by thinking about those like me, that we stand on our feet all day.
All day.
One thing you want to aim for is a shoe like this, because even most of the people make the mistake of buying, sports shoes, and sometimes they're not comfortable at all.
You're right.
You agree?
I agree, and it's not only the shoes that you have to worry about sometimes, it's what's in the shoes.
Yeah.
And we offer lots of different options for them, from gel inserts to nice rigid orthotics to even customized orthotics that maybe a physician would even prescribe to a patient or a person who's on their feet a lot, like you.
Well, I'll tell you, I'm going to be flying out to Italy this week, and this is definitely one of the shoes that's going to be packed in my suitcases, because you walk around all day.
Of course.
And even though, like you said, sometimes you have the sneakers, but sometimes they're just not that comfortable. They're great for going to the gym, but this is something that I can see myself looking good, but being comfortable all day walking through all the streets of Italy.
Great thing you brought some other styles as well, and I was pointing at those because I would never think that is a therapeutic shoes.
Absolutely. They actually look so stylish.
It's honestly, as I was saying, it's a great solution to a massive problem that most of the people face. I mean, haven't you heard like a million people around you saying, oh my God, my feet hurt? I mean, you can wear something stylish and at the same time you're taking care of your feet and you're feeling good. Brian, I really want to thank you for the gifts. Super excited to wear these, and we're super happy that you came.
I know, definitely. I'm looking forward to my trip in Italy. I'll be walking all over it. I'll make sure to post some pictures so I can show you.
I can't wait to see.
By the way, you can come anytime and bring us even more shoes. We'll be happy to wear them.
Every time you have new styles, feel free to send them over and we can let you know what we think.
I would be happy to do that. Of course.
Thank you. And remind us, where can all of our viewers of BELatina go to check out all the different styles and order some?
Yeah, they just go to drcomfort.com. They could order, and they could even look for a provider on our website, just in case they want to follow up and see if their insurance will cover them.
That's
And
perfect.
if they want to get something custom, they can still do it there.
They can, yeah, with their provider. Yes, they can.
Amazing. Well,
Thank you
so much, man.
Brian.
Thanks for joining us, mi gente. For more behind the scenes on today's show, make sure to visit BELatina.com.
And make sure to follow us on social media at BELatina TV and at BELatina News. See you next time.